Hello and welcome you guys. This is Richard Skeletor, and today's video we're going to be talking about how to clear all your money blocks. That's right guys, to clear all your money blocks. It's a very powerful technique. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. It's going to blow your mind on how good this works, how good the mind works, and how much money is going to flow your way. So for most people get, anxiety about money, anxiety about paying for things, especially in times now. Times are inflated. That means things cost more with money. Your purchasing powers is less, and you feel like you don't have enough, to pay for things. When gas goes up, I live in California, so when gas goes up to high prices and people are like, oh my gosh, look at the price of this, look at the price of that, look at the price of homes, look at the price of used cars. These are just some examples of some things that have gone sky high. At one time we had an egg shortage and eggs were really pricey and high. Things go up, they go down. People have anxiety about the purchasing power and what they buy things at, and that is going to change. With this video, that is going to change, guys, because you're going to learn the power of the mind. In this video, we're going to learn a visualization technique that's going to take you to that next level. That's right, guys, to the next level. I'm so excited to share this with you. So let's get into it right now. Now, the visualization technique is so powerful and so extreme that it's gonna just change the way you think about money, change the way that money shows up in your life, because now your state of being is gonna change. That's right, your state of being. So when your state of being changes, guess what? On any subject, to a more positive state of being, or more expective of the things that you want, it has to show up. So this is the technique, guys. It's a visualization technique. So number one, what you do is when you buy something, when you purchase something, you're going to visualize it. Do this for about 30 seconds to a minute. You're going to visualize. So what you do is, let's say you're going out to eat. Let's say you're at a restaurant, even a fast food place, okay? You go to purchase that item, okay? Let's say you're waiting for your food. Let's say it's a fast food place. You're still waiting for your food. You could be in a drive-thru. It could be at a sit-down restaurant. Okay. Now, let's say you're at a restaurant, sit-down restaurant. These are just examples, guys. You don't have to follow this, but just try this, okay? Let's say you think the bill's gonna be $40, $50, $60, $100, whatever it is. Now, close your eyes and visualize yourself paying like 2 or 3 times that much. Imagine having all this food and you paying for it, and going into your purse or wallet and having all this money, and it's free money. It's money you didn't have to work for. It's money that's just there. So you don't have to think how the money came, but you got to think, I have this money. It's just mine. It's natural to have this amount of money. The whole point of doing this visualization process is to be, it's like an extreme version of money, extreme version of extravagance. I can afford this. It's no problem. It's easy. It's effortless. The whole point of this is easy and effortless. So let's go over the process. You close your eyes and you visualize for 30 seconds to 1 minute of buying many items on it. Let's say you go out to dinner, like I said, and let's say you buy a normal meal. Well, imagine you buying 2 or 3 appetizers, all these different drinks, and trying all these ice creams and all these things that that are very expensive on the menu. And let's say the bill came out to like $200 or 200 and some dollars. Okay, imagine yourself reaching your purse or wallet and paying this with ease and saying, I tried all these new things and I wanted to try it. It's so exciting and fun, and it felt natural. The whole point is to do this process is a natural feeling state of abundance towards the subject that you're buying or purchasing from. So we live in patterns and habits, okay? We eat at the same restaurants. Usually we buy the same things, clothes, gas for our car, so on and so forth. So when you do this process, it's always going to the extreme, buying more than what you need and making it a natural process. You can do this with buying gas, okay? Let's say you buy gas and you buy the more expensive gas. You buy the premium gas. Or let's say you go to the gas station and you see somebody struggling and you fill up their tank of gas, and it's not a problem for you. You still have this money in your wallet or purse. You see, go into these visualization processes and make them so they're like you exaggerate it. You make it more extreme. You make it more like plentiful, like there's more than enough money to spend it on this. I have plenty of money, but not just plenty, but it's oversupplying amount, you see. And it's tricking the mind to be in that state where money is just natural to me. I can be extreme and afford all these things and more, because it's going through your daily habits. We have daily habits of things we buy things on a daily basis. It could be Amazon. It could be Starbucks. A lot of people go to Starbucks. Imagine you go into Starbucks and you close your eyes and you visualize yourself for 30 seconds to a minute, buying Starbucks, trying these different coffees. Why don't you buy like all the people in line coffee? These are just extreme value. I have all this money. Who wants a coffee? Coffee on the house. So think about something like that you visualize as you always have more than enough money that you do on your daily habits. The reason why this is important, guys, is because on your daily habits, these are the things that you spend money on. These are the things that you react to in your vibration with money. They just are. It's the things that you're going to do anyway. So why not do it and have more money than you need for whatever you need? You see what I'm getting at? So when you do this process, it will change your vibration about money, because these are the things that you react to in your life. These are the habits of money that you buy on a daily basis. You go to the same grocery stores, I guarantee you, and you buy certain foods for you or your family, your loved one, or maybe it's just yourself. So these are the habits, and when you change these habits, guess what happens in your vibration? It's going to become more, because imagine you go to Starbucks and all of a sudden you have all this money. Imagine going to the grocery store and somebody behind you that can't afford something, and you just buy them, say, well, what do you want? I'll pay for all your groceries, because you visualize it. You saw yourself having plenty of money in your purse or wallet, and it was a natural process. The whole point of doing this is to have a natural feeling process. When you have this natural feeling process, it will show up in your life because of the fact that it came from you, and you're practicing this every time you have a purchase. So let's go over the steps again. Step 1 is, when you go through your life and you're buying something or purchasing something, do this exercise. It takes 30 seconds to a minute. You can do it, guys. You can do it at a grocery store as you wait in line. You close your eyes and visualize it. You can do it at a restaurant when you sit down, when you think you know the bill, or at a fast food, even after you get the bill, you can, the receipt, you can do this. I mean, it's a very simple process, 30 seconds to a minute, and you're going to the extreme version of yourself, having plenty of money, buying more, buying it for people, buying free gas for people, doing stuff like that, because these are the things that you're reacting to. These are the purchases that you're making on your daily habits of life. And it's just that simple. It will change your vibrational frequency, because these are the patterns that we use in our lives, are the things that we spend money on. And I guarantee you, reacting to these things, you're reacting to the prices of these things. You're thinking, this is too expensive, this is too high. I don't know, I should only buy this much on the menu because I can't afford it. These are the thoughts that are going through your head when doing your purchases on a daily basis if you don't have an oversupply of money, you see? So practice this, try this technique, and do it on everything. 30 seconds to a minute, guys. That's all it takes to change your vibrational frequency of money. So steps again are: visualize for 30 seconds to a minute. Go extreme on what you're visualizing. You have plenty of money, more than enough, seeing your purse or wallet, overflowing supply, and make the feeling natural, like it's just normal. It's a normal feeling to have this much money, and it takes zero effort. It's just, oh, I just pay for this. It's just like, walking down the street, opening the door, waking up, that type of natural feeling. All right, guys, leave me a comment below and tell me really what you thought about this process. Give it a try it for a week, or two, and watch how your vibration shifts on money. Watch how you feel about money, and watch what shows into your life in a very easy and relaxed manner. All right, guys, take care. Bye.